so refreshing, so tasty. Go ahead and try it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support so far. Thank you for continuing watching my videos and share with your friends and families. Okay, thank you so much, and as is customary, remember to follow me on all social. Okay, and how are you guys doing back to school wise? I know the moms back to school time, and I know the expense, the books, the uniform, everything. I know that can be challenging, but you know, I'm praying for you all and hope that every kids went back to school looking dapper. Yeah, because I know they're looking forward to the new shoes, the new clothes. Yes, back to school in Jamaica is a thing, and yes, I understand that some of you guys kids are going to new school. Yes, new school, high school. Yeah, so congratulations to those who have successfully passed their pep and going on to higher heights. Okay, and congratulations to the babies who are moving up the different levels. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, so today I'm going to make for you a grape banana smoothie. Okay, so let's dive right into the menu. Okay, all right, so I have here in this bowl some grapes. Yes, this is the green one, and they were frozen. Yes, they were in the freezer, so yes, they're kind of frozen. All right, strawberry. Yes, I have some strawberry in it, even though it's a great banana smoothie. And yes, I have my banana here, and I'm gonna use coconut water to make this smoothie today. And as usual, this one has pulp. I have some ice. I don't think I'm gonna use any sweetener because I know the banana, the grapes, yeah, they're already sweet. So let's add these to the blender. All right. And oh yes guys, and I have my yogurt, so yes, I'm gonna get my yogurt. And this is the oatmeal plain yogurt. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my coconut water. And I'm gonna cover, well, no, before I cover, but you guys, and that's it guys. All done. My great banana smoothies all done, and I'm gonna glass it. Ooh. So delicate, so different. I would drink off all of this right now. So yummy, guys. So yummy. My grape banana smoothie is so yummy. Guys, go ahead and try the smoothie. You will love it. Okay? It's so nice. Okay? So remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing. And whoosh, I'm out of here. See you in my next video. Bye.